I mean, when it comes to Sinn Féin, every single one of us is a leader. We have a president, we have a vice president, but every member of the party is a leader in its own right, so there's no hierarchy of leadership within Sinn Féin.
You said everyone's a leader there. Can you see any maybe potential leaders in a few years' time? Who would you like to see leading the party?
I think Jerry is doing an excellent job at the moment. I don't see any reason why we would even be contemplating changing Jerry at the moment. He's brought this party.
A few years down the line though, can you picture Mary Lou leading the party or somebody else?
Well, we're talking hypothetically here, and who knows what's going to happen a few years down the line, but for right now we're focused on the upcoming general election and the centenary celebrations of 1916, and Jerry is the leader of the party, and there is no debate within the party. This is a fixation of the media. It's not something that taxes our minds every day.
Is it a personal goal of your own?
To be a leader of the party? It's not something I've given any thought to, but obviously it would be an honour for any member of the party to lead.